Hello, hi, namaste, my dear energetic YouTube family. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Vinish Tech Universe. This is your tech lover, Vinish. Hi, guys. We have a shocking update from Wipro about pre-skilling training. Recently, a few days ago, many of the candidates had received the next batch pre-skilling update. So, if you haven't received any mail yet, so don't worry and don't get panic. I'll explain everything in detail about Wipro next batch of training update, and also if you doesn't clear the first round, first section of the training program, that means you are disqualified or in the journey of Wipro pre-skilling. So and I'm gonna cover in the pre-skilling what are the technical stuff they given and what the process has been going and how it is going on. So I'm in detail. I'm going to explain this video. So don't skip at any cost in throughout the video. So if you find this video helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the upcoming up to date notifications. So let's get into the video. Recently, Wipro has started sending mails regarding pre-skilling under the subject of Next Gen Associate Pre-skilling Program. Here you can see I'm showing in my screen. So here you can find that the in the mail they mentioned that the who are the candidates received. They were given the details such as the training start date and the orientation start date, which is same, that is 21st of February. And the examination platform they mentioned here clearly, that is Great Learning. So, and exam process and attendance requirements timetable. In the next mail, next mail, they mentioned about the domain specific information. Yeah, she got the domain on Java. So many candidates have already received the Java Selenium training updates for the second batch. So I think few of the candidates hasn't received the updates. So I'm going to tell you the what is happening with that. So with the training scheduled from 1st to 14th February, so they cleared the test and as per the test results, so they got the mail and they started the training yesterday only, that is 21st of February. So however, some candidates, including even one of my friends, also haven't received the second session training mail. So if you haven't received the second session training mail, it doesn't mean that you are disqualified, because Wipro has previously allowed candidates for a second attempt. Even a few of our seniors from the previous year batch are also uh, in the part of Wipro pre-skilling training program. So there is a high chance that they'll be sent more mails in the upcoming days. So additionally, candidates who failed in the exam so may have more chances to get the another opportunity to re-attempt the exam. Being an MNC as a Wipro, it doesn't want to lose the talent and intelligent candidates like you, because they'll definitely provide opportunities for the candidates to complete the training, because you already completed first part. You completed half of the part, so you're in the middle part. So I think they won't lose you guys. So as part of the training, Wipro assigns a capstone project after the completion of 14 days training. So that capstone project is basically on Java. They already I covered the thing, the pre-skilling update, the pre-skilling training program, and the time schedule and the pattern, the syllabus in the previous video. You can see, you can check out the video in my channel. And so that project caption part includes Java with oops, and in backend they asked me for the backend API connection and also a database management file database management with JDBC. So it is a completely a mini time full stack project. It is a real time project they given. So it is just like a student management or hospitality management, like just like a real time project they assign to the candidates. So by the way, most of the candidates has cleared the project. Few of them are stuck in the middle part. So that's why they didn't receive any mails, but no worries. So they'll send you, they'll give you second chance of training and second chance of exam reattempt. So candidate found it is a challenging to clear the project, but still there is a possibility to give another opportunity. So because Wipro recently laid off 3,000 to 5,000 of employees with over 2 years of experience, because they were in the bench without assigned any projects. However, Wipro currently has several kind of projects in different domains such as Java, Oracle, SAP, data science, so etc. So that's why I think they won't. So many of the candidates, like whoever received the recent training mails, so they received that domains on Java, Angular, React, and also Oracle, SAP, data science. So in these domains, they received the mails. So coming to the exam platforms and the difficulty level, till now Wipro has made a deal with the SFJ platform, IIST, and Grade Learning platforms. So throughout these three platforms, SFJ is tougher than remaining two highest and great learning. So it is somewhat difficult because there is a strict proctoring, and also you need to clear one exam, that is 2.5 hour exam. So which is your project, completely a project. So as coming to great learning and IIST, so these two are similarly as comparatively than SFJ platform, it is somewhat easier because it contains only coding problems and MCQ problems to get qualified. It is comparatively easier than the SFJ platform. So as I said in the previous video, if you clear the first part of exam, if it is easy one, then the second part of exam might be tough. And if your part one exam is tough, then your part two exam will be easier. So it is based upon their pattern. So it is crisscross pattern. So you make sure you have to prepare, and you have to go through with the updates and the even the training program. Make sure to attend the classes regularly. Make sure to maintain the attendance, and turn on your video till the training program, and note all the things whatever they told and whatever they discussed in the video. And if it is an important thing, please do note it out and note it down. And also make sure to practice program. So don't underestimate the exam pattern, because it might be tough to few people. It might very easy to few people. So I'm requesting you, if you haven't received any mails or facing any issues, so please contact the Wipro support team. So here in my screen, I'm showing you so that there are I given three different mails in the screen. So you can mail them what are the problem you are facing. So if you are facing in a problem meanwhile in the training, so you can directly mail them to the Wipro partner only. I think they'll provide you the mail in the section. So I would like to show you one thing, that the candidate whoever received the second part of training program, which is on Java Selenium. So you can see, greetings from SFJ Trainings, training partner of Wipro. Welcome you to Wipro Extend Associate Pre-Screening Program 21st of February, for training program on Java Selenium training. So this is the second part of training, second part of training of the for the candidate who have got qualified in the following this description. They also mentioned the orientation start date and training session start date, also timings and the session date. And they already mentioned in the previous mail, in this mail also, attendance all in all sessions is mandatory, along with the participation in continuous assessment and the meeting qualifications. They mentioned few etiquettes, training etiquettes, just like do's and don'ts. So here you can see, this is a training schedule for the Java Selenium, which is going to be started on the 21st of February, and end date is 27th March. And here you gonna complete the training. And if the candidate clear the exam for the second training program also, so he will get the joining you will get a joining from the Wipro. You'll get the offer letter. So definitely everyone should cross 70% in the training program. It is must and mandatory. It is not that much tough, because you are in the home and you can take help from your friends and your colleagues or in your training partners also. You can just take help from them, right? Just clear the exam. If you clear the exam in the training session, so don't take it as a negative, I mean simple thing, because if you clear now, then you can make wonders after joining in the company. So don't panic if you fail in exam. You will get a second chance of attempt also. Don't worry about that. So, but I think, and take it as a challenge, and this is a last chance for you to clear the exam. If you guys, whoever not cleared the exam in the session, I mean the part one, they will get the same platform, and they will get the same. The question is different, but the platform and the time and the monitoring all are same. So the candidate will get a one more project with a different domain, with different idea in the training in the upcoming mails. So don't worry about that. So and so in the upcoming video, I'm going to interviewing a real candidate whoever successfully cleared the Wipro skilling training, and I'll share the personal experience, exam tips and strategies, best practices to clear the training and capstone project easily. So so this is a video I'm going to end this video now. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. So stay tuned for the next update, and like this video and subscribe to our channel for the regular updates, and please hit the bell icon for the notification for the new posts. So until then, take care. Goodbye. See you in the next video.